Hello everybody. Today I just want to share my experience with the garlic. Actually, on the last December I planted some garlic here, and as you see, they are already done. I want to take them out and then see what I did. Actually, not that much, a few. I just plant a few one, and then I will just take some and show it to you. So as you see, it is really good, bunch of garlic. So I will take others. The thing is, last night we have some rain, so I take advantage of, take this out easily. Yeah, you can see that is good. Actually, that's the cable. Okay, and then let's see other one. Yeah, really good. So I just want to share this with you guys. You can see I just planted a few, here, and then on the December, yeah, and now is May. So actually, if I want to take a fresh one, I have to take them out early, like last month actually, but I was really busy. So I hope you like this video, and then God bless you guys. Have a great day. I will take them out, all of them, because if I let them, they will destroy. Okay everybody, as you see, I take them out, all of them, and it's really good and huge, so I will put them in some bucket of water to take those out of that mud on it, and then clean and use them. Okay, have a great day.